Now we are going to discuss the one of the most common confusion resolutions under Companies Act 2013, whether ordinary resolution and ordinary business both are same, and special business, special resolution. So understanding the difference between ordinary resolution and special resolution, ordinary business versus special business. So we'll discuss in detail. First, we'll see what is the resolution under Companies Act 2013. A resolution is nothing but a formal decision taken by a company's board of directors or shareholders, depending on the nature of the business, whether it is the opening bank account or creation of charge or satisfaction of a charge. So everything has to be discussed in the board and pass the resolution accordingly. This is what the board resolution. Then we will discuss about the types of the resolutions. Board resolution, members resolution, in members resolution again, ordinary resolution, special resolution. So these are the types. In the board resolution, passed by the board of directors in a board meeting, deals with the internal affairs and administrative actions of the company. Examples: opening or closing of bank accounts, appointment of KMPs, key managerial personnel, issuing of shares or debentures, approving financial statements. These are all discussed in the board, and board will approve, board will pass the resolution. Investing company funds, taking loans or giving guarantee, approving mergers or acquisitions. In short, we can say anything operational or internal. The board handles it. Board passes the resolutions. And what about the ordinary resolution passed by the shareholders? Ordinary resolution and special resolution. Ordinary resolutions passed by the shareholders in a general members meeting, that is AGM or EGM. AGM is annual general meeting. EGM is extraordinary general meeting. Needs more than 50% of the votes in favor. Ordinary resolution. Ordinary resolution usually for routine or regular matters. We can say example: appointment or reappointment of directors, retirement, rotation, appointment of auditors, and fixing of their remuneration, declaration of dividend, increase the authorized share capital if articles allow, approval of certain related party transactions. These are all generally we will see in ordinary resolutions, and we'll also discuss about what are special resolutions. Passed by shareholders in general meeting, required at least 75% of votes in favor, reserved for important or structural decisions that impact the company's long-term future. We'll give an example: alteration of memorandum, alteration of articles of association, reduction of share capital, striking of the company's name from the register. Special resolution is required. Appointment of more than 15 directors, special resolution. Preferential allotment of shares, special resolution. Appointment of managing director or full-time director over the age of 70 years, special resolution. Then we'll see the difference: ordinary resolution versus ordinary business. Ordinary resolution and ordinary business are not the same. Ordinary business under section 102, subsection 2 of Companies Act, it covers only 4 things in AGM. As per section 102, subsection 2, covers only 4 things in AGM. That is ordinary business. Adoption of financial statements. Another one is the declaration of dividend. Appointment or reappointment of directors retired by rotation. And fourth one is appointment, reappointment of auditors and fixing their pay. These 4 only called ordinary business in AGM. It is there mentioned in section 102, subsection 2 of Companies Act 2013. So everything else is special business. These 4 are ordinary business, others are special business. But there is a twist. Special business does not always mean a special resolution. Some special business matters still require only ordinary resolution. We'll see special business examples. Special business with ordinary resolution. Example: increase of authorized share capital. Appointment of new auditor, not retiring by rotation. Special business, but ordinary resolution. certain related party approvals. These are all few examples. And we'll see special business with special resolution. Reduction of share capital, special business, special resolution. Buyback beyond 10%. Again, special business, special resolution. Alteration of memorandum of association, special resolution, special business. Company strike off, special business, special resolution. Loans and investment beyond prescribed limits, special resolution. Actually, why this matters? Because the choosing correct resolution is not just a procedural, it is a compliance safeguard. It is a compliance. If company passes any wrong type of resolution, what happens? The decision may become invalid and even attract penalties. So the resolutions are the heartbeat of corporate governance. The document, it is the document company's decisions and protect the directors and shareholders. So you are drafting a board resolution, an ordinary resolution, or a special resolution. Always check what is the nature of the business. Always check the voting percentage is required under Companies Act. Hope you are clear about the resolutions, types of resolutions, types of business. We have two channels, RR Corporates and other RR Legal Talks. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any of our latest videos. Thank you. We'll start with this. Here, this is what we can share. If we share, I'll show you section. I'll come to the section. This is what Companies Act 2013 and MCA portal. Section 102, statement be annexed with the notice. 102 subsection 2 for the purpose of subsection 1 on the case of in case of annual general meeting, all the businesses to be transacted thereat shall be deemed as a special other than. So this is the ordinary business. The consideration of financial statements and the reports of the board of directors and auditors. This is the ordinary business in AGM. Declaration of dividend, ordinary business. Appointment of director in place of retirement, those retiring, ordinary business. Appointment of and fixing of remuneration of auditors, ordinary business. Only these four. This is that AGM. In AGM, all business to be transacted thereat shall be deemed special other than. So it means 1, 2, 3, 4. These four are only ordinary business. First one is consideration of financial statements and reports of the board of directors and auditors. Second one is declaration of dividend. Third one is appointment of director in place of retiring by rotation. Fourth one is appointment and fixing of the remuneration of the auditor. These four are ordinary business as per section 102 under Companies Act 2013. Hope we are clear. Thank you.